Hello dear students, welcome to ECE Academy Benefactor. In this class we will be understanding about number system. The topics covered are how to find ones complement of a binary number, twos complement of a binary number, and how to do the twos complement binary subtraction. Okay, let us start the class. The given problem is find the ones complement and twos complement of the following binary numbers. So let us start the solution. For the first question given is 1001. We have to find the ones complement. Ones complement. Okay. So just replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. So what will be its ones complement? Its ones complement will be 1 is replaced by 0, 0 is replaced by 1, 0 is replaced by 1, and this 1 is replaced by 0. Okay. And what is the twos complement for it? To find twos complement, first we have to find the ones complement of this number. What is the ones complement of this number? We already got it, 0, 1, 1, 0. This is a ones complement. To this ones complement add 1 to it. Okay. 0 plus 1, 1, 1 and 1 and 0. This is a twos complement. Okay. So what is the answer here? Ones complement is 0, 1, 1, 0 and twos complement is 0, 1, 1. Okay. Now let us see the second question. Find the ones complement of this number. The given number is 1010 00 11. Ones complement. So what do you do? Replace 1 by 0 and 0 by 1. So it will become 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. This is ones complement of this number. Now finding twos complement. What you have to do for twos complement? First find the ones complement of the given number and add 1 to the LSB bit. So for this given number, the ones complement is 0 1 0 1 1 1 0. We have to add 1 to it, 1 to the LSB bit. Then it becomes twos complement. 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 1 1 1 0 1 and 0. Okay, 0 plus 1 is 1 and the remaining are same. So this is the twos complement. So ones complement is replacing 1 by 0 and 0 by 1, and twos complement is add 1 to the ones complement. First you have to find the ones complement and add 1 to the LSB bit to get the twos complement. Next topic is binary subtraction using twos complement. Under this topic, the first question is subtract 1010 11 from 111 001 using twos complement. So what is the given question? Let us write. Subtract this from here. So we have to write this number 111 001 minus 11 0101. I have to subtract this number. Method is twos complement. So what you have to do? You have to find the twos complement of this number. So first find twos complement of 101011. What is its twos complement? How to find? First you have to find its ones complement. So it will be 0 1 0 1 00 and add 1 to the LSB. So it will come as 1 0 1 0 1 0. This is the 2's complement of this number. So this is the first step. Find the 2's complement of this number, subtrahend, and then you have to add this 2's complement to the minuend, that is 111 001, add this 2's complement 0 1 0 1 0 1, have to add it. 1 plus 1 is, what is 1 plus 1? 1 0, sum is 0, carry is 1, and here 0 plus 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 0 with 1 carry, 1 plus 1 0 1. So here a carry is generated. Okay. So in this method, in this problem, a carry is generated. So to write the final answer, you have to negate this carry and write the final answer. So what is the final answer? Negate this one, neglect this one. So answer is 00 111 0. This is the final answer. So what is the solution for it? When you are subtracting 111 001 minus 101011, what is the answer you are getting? 00 111 and 0. So there are 3 steps. First is to find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. After getting the 2's complement, add it to the minuend. If a carry is generated, neglect the carry and write the final result. Okay. In this under binary subtraction topic, the next problem is subtract 111 001 from 101011 using 2's complement. So first write the problem. Subtract 101011. You have to subtract this number from this one. So it is 111 001. You have to subtract this one. So this is known as minuend, this is known as subtrahend. So what you have in 2's complement, what is the first step? Find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. 2's complement. 2's complement of 111 001. How to find the 2's complement? First find the 1's complement, that is 000 110. This is 1's complement, and add 1 to the LSB, it becomes 2's complement, 1 111 000. This is the 2's complement. Okay. So first find the 2's complement of the subtrahend. Second step is add this 2's complement to the minuend. So write it 101011. Take this 2's complement number, that is 000 111. Add it. 1 plus 1 10, 0 with 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 is 10 plus 1, so it will become 1 1. So 1 sum, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 sum 0, carry 1, 1 plus 1 sum is 0, carry is 1. So it is 1 and this is 1. So here in this one we don't get any carry. There is no carry here. If there is no carry, the third step is find 2's complement of the result and put a minus sign. 2's complement. 2's complement of 11 00 10. 2's complement of 11 00 10. What it is? For finding 2's complement, first find 1's complement, that is 00 11 01. Add 1 to it. 1 plus 1 0 1 11 00. So the final answer is that after taking the 2's complement of the result, put a minus sign, that is minus to this 00 111 0. This is the final answer. So what is the result? 1010 11 minus 111 001. Answer is minus of 00 111 0. 00 111 0. Okay. So here in these two problem you have, it's clear that there are two possibilities. Once there can be a carry. If there is a carry, you have to neglect the carry and write the final answer. And if there is no carry, generated, find the 2's complement of the result and put a minus sign. Okay. So this is how we do the 2's complement binary subtraction. I hope you have understood the class. If you have any queries, you can post in the comment section. Good luck, students.